Do you know you can transform yourself from this to this to this? You can even make them do anything like this or like this. Welcome back. This is really me now. Okay, let's get serious. This is the part 2 of the video where I show you how to change your outfit and your background to anything you like. But today, we're not going to be talking about you. We're going to be talking about how you can swap yourself to any celebrity or anybody you like. If it's something you like, then do well to subscribe to this channel because I always bring you the best nuggets that's going to help you in your content creation journey in this year. So let's get started. Step 1, get a picture from the reference video you already recorded, then copy the prompts on your screen. You can change it to any celebrity you want. This is the one I love at this point. And then you download this app on your screen, RoboNeo. Once you download the app on your phone, then you log in with your Google account. You should have the interface like this. Copy the prompts on the screen. Then you upload your video and your image, like I said, then click on the Kling 2.6 for less credits. Then you wait for it to generate. Then after generating, you have something like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then I know you're going to like the video where I talked about how to change your background and also how to change your outfits without any manual, without any stylist, without any camera, just you looking flawless in your contents. This is the link to watch that video, and I'll also be bringing more videos that's going to help you in your content creation journey. So do well to stay tuned, like, turn on that bell so that you don't miss anything when I post it. I got you on this journey. Until then, bye.